ये जो समय बचा है 0 ओवर में डॉक्टर सत्यनारायण, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता, नहीं जो नोटिस दे के नोटिस में जो अप्रूव्ड है उसी को ना, डॉक्टर सत्यनारायण जेतिया, डॉक्टर सस्मित पात्रा, यू हैव गिवन ए सिमिलर नोटिस ऑन कोरोना व्हिच हैज बीन डिस्कस्ड. यू कैन want, you can associate yourself. Satish Chandra Dubey.
अध्यक्ष जी, आपके अनुमति से एक अत्यंत लोक महत्व विषय पर सदन का सहित आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूं. मैं बिहार प्रदेश से आता हूं, उत्तर प्रदेश से सटा हुआ इलाका है और वहां मोबाइल नेटवर्किंग का बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. 10 जिला ऐसा है, किशनगंज, अररिया, दरभंगा, पूर्णिया, सहरसा, शिवहर, सीतामढ़ी, पूर्वी चंपारण, पश्चिमी चंपारण ऐसे जिला है जो नेपाल से सटा हुआ है और वहां मोबाइल नेटवर्किंग आज भी काम नहीं कर रहा है. खास करके पश्चिमी चंपारण जिला से मैं आता हूं. मैनाटांड ब्लॉक, सिकटा ब्लॉक, रामनगर ब्लॉक, बगहा 2 ब्लॉक, मधुबनी, ठकराहा, पिपरासी और जोगापट्टी जैसे ब्लॉकों में मोबाइल नेटवर्किंग से काफ़ी आज की भी समय में जनता दूरी बना हुआ है, जबकि आज का सारा काम मोबाइल से हो रहा है. पेटीएम का भी काम, कैश का भी काम मोबाइल से हो रहा है. इसलिए मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि विशेष परिस्थिति में वहां मोबाइल नेटवर्किंग का काम करवाया जाए और वहां के लोगों को भी नेटवर्किंग से जोड़ा जाए, मोबाइल नेटवर्किंग से जोड़ा जाए. बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद जी. श्री गोकुल कृष्णा. No member need to come to the chair and ask for permission. Nobody has got permission. They have to meet either chambers or otherwise communicate with the
I would like to draw the attention of
That's not the practice to be encouraged.
Draw the immediate attention of the Honorable Minister to HRD through you, sir, that the nebulous situation prevailing among the students and public of Puducherry. The students of Pondicherry University, under the aegis of educational rights of indigenous peoples movement, are on a war path demanding the rights of the natives in the respective central universities. Sir, there has been a consistent demand from various sections of the society that the Pondicherry University would reserve 25% of the reserved seats in every course exclusively for the natives of Puducherry. At present, the concession is available for 18 courses and the demand is only to extend the concession to all other courses. That being so, the hesitation at the part of the university to extend it to all 66 courses is beyond comprehension. Sir, it is unfortunate that the previous Vice Chancellor of Pondicherry University did not heed to the demand and delayed it by forwarding the request to the MHRD, though the university administrative bodies are vested with the power. But no decision has been taken by MHRD even after a lapse of 5 years. Sir, for example, JIPMER, which is the central government organization, provides 25% reservation, while the NIT gives 50% to the locals. That being so, the denial by Pondicherry University is not only perplexing, but is against natural justice. Sir, I had already represented the matter to the then Honorable Minister for HRD to take a positive decision before the current academic year, but it has not been happened. Recently, if I'm correct, the draft National Medical Council has a provision for reserving 50% seats to the locals. It only strengthens my case. Sir, if the government feels that reservation of seats in Pondicherry University would be a partisan action, since there are 48 universities, central universities in Pondicherry in India, it is most welcome if it is extended to all the central universities across the country. Honorable Chairman, sir, even during your recent visit to Pondicherry University convocation function, you might have heard the continuing struggle of students for this demand. The government of Puducherry also used this occasion to apprise you on the genuineness of this issue since you are the Chancellor of Pondicherry University. Sir, I again reiterate the Government of India to take an early and positive decision of reserve.
Right.
Partic-
Move on. Sri Kupendra Reddy. D. Kupendra Reddy. No, please. D. Kupendra Reddy, please. I have not called you. Please. Please. You have to give a notice. You can't speak as and when, whatever you want to speak. Whatever it is. No, please. This I am not allowing. This will not go on record. This will not go on record. Nothing shall be shown, nothing should be written. You have to write to me. It was all there in the newspapers. You did not bother. Nahi hoga. Aisa nahi hoga. Nahi hoga. Nahi hoga. You want to deny others' opportunity, you want to deny the question hour, you want to deny the rights of the members, then it is left to you. And you are all experienced people who have been in the system. I know, I am aware of it. I am aware of it. If there is an official communication to me, then will I react. Please. Anand Sharma ji, please. No, nothing. Please, baith jaiye. Please sit down. 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 Please. You are doing injustice to the cause, if at all, by doing this. What are you doing? Why you have not given notice? What were you doing and why you have not given any notice? So as and when you get a mood, you just get up and raise an issue. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. I am not going to allow it. I will not allow it. Honorable members, do not behave like this. You are all aware of the rules. You are all aware of the rules. You know the provision. If there is something urgent, you can bring it to the notice of the chairman. Give a notice. Enough time was there. We had enough time. Since what has happened, you never bother to give a notice. Suddenly you want to disrupt the house. I will not allow this tendency to continue. Please. I will not allow. As I have to do justice to other members, I am just continuing. Otherwise, I would have adjourned the house. Because others are being deprived of opportunity because of the few people try to disrupt the house. Please sit down. Please sit down. You have to be seated. Nobody is allowed this side or that side. I am not entertaining it at all. Where is the question of raising an issue and answering an issue? This has not been raised. It has not gone on record. Simple. For the sake of the country, nobody has given a notice to the chairman. If at all any such thing happened, unless you want to disrupt the house, that's a different matter. Law will take its own course and the house will take its own course as per the law and rules and procedure. You are all aware of it. telecast, no publishing of what has been raised without my permission. Question 256.